Hello dear friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will cover how to remove encrypted file in Excel. For this just follow this video. Method 1. First of all, what you have to do, you just need to put the password of your Excel file here and click on OK tab. After open your encrypted Excel file, go to the File menu and click on it. And then click on Info tab. Now click on Protect Workbook. Now click on Encrypt with Password. A pop-up window will open. Now you need to remove the password from here. Just select all the asterisk symbol and hit Delete key. And after that click on OK tab. And then click on Save and close this Excel file. Now reopen this file. It will not show you again the password prompt dialog box. And password removed. Method 2. After open your password protected Excel file, go to File menu and click on it. And then click on Save As menu. Choose your file location where you want to save. Click on Tools tab. And then click on General Options. A pop-up window will open. Here you can see two types of passwords. First one for file opening password, and second one for file modify password. Now you need to remove the password from here. Just select all the asterisk symbol and hit Delete key. And after that click on OK tab. Finally type your file name here. We recommend to give here new file name, so that old file will remain unchanged. And click on Save tab. Finally reopen your file. And it is done. Hopefully this quick tutorial video will help you. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe and like button. See you friend on the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.